This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by KarenBeers. Light and bright home in desirable Westbrook neighborhood. Convenient to community clubhouse and pools. Lovingly cared for home with great floor plan that lies larger than its square feet. Hardwood floors under carpeting. Spacious living room with gas fireplace and adjoining dining room. Charming kitchen with big window overlooking fenced back deck. Spacious master with plenty of closet space. AC, gas heat. New one-car carport and additional parking space. So much to love about this home. For more information, review the details below or contact KarenBeers at 503-270-4589.